How to assemble your SteadyTrack 2-post lift stand system. Before assembling the SteadyTrack, please review all components to ensure that there are no missing parts, and visually inspect all components to ensure that there are no unusual defects. Should anything look unusual, contact your local dealer prior to use. You are now ready to begin assembling the Mackworth SteadyTrack. Ensure the floor that will support the SteadyTrack system is level and structurally sound. Once confirmed, place each vertical support post and base in the approximate location of use. Select the mounting height to be used and ensure that each post assembly is set to the same height. Assemble the connector bracket onto the vertical support post by using hex head bolts, items 1 and 2, with lock nuts, item 5. Tighten bolts to specified torque. Cover each end with off-white plastic cap nuts, item 6. Slide end of the track, item C, into the slot of the connecting bracket, item A. Insert the clamping plate, item D, inside the track and tighten hex head bolts, item 3, to specified torque. Then cover with off-white plastic cap nuts, item 6. Next, insert hex head bolts, item 4, and tighten as directed. Lastly, cover with off-white plastic cap nuts, item 7. Now repeat on the opposite side. Note: before assembling the second post, be sure to insert the lift trolley into the track, then proceed to repeat previous steps to assemble the second post. Once the SteadyTrack system is installed, finish assembly of the ceiling lift with appropriate weight for the track and check for any defects in the setup. Using the provided checklist, please review all items and mark each accordingly. You are now ready to safely and securely transfer your patient. For additional information regarding the SteadyTrack, visit www.MackworthUSA.com or call us at 314-889-1000.